Hello and good day. Keith Gallo with Icon Windows and Doors. Welcome to our science project. We have a wall condition that we are making, that we're creating for one of our customers, and really trying to educate them on water infiltration and just considering the envelope for as long as possible. So we've provided some solutions. This is one of our, call it Exhibit A, for our customer, hoping to win their favor and their approval. So here's part of the process. Let's take a little bit further look. Okay, so what we've already done in a previous video is we have created this wall condition. This would be the bottom of the window unit. These are the window sills, sheathing, CDX, 1/2 inch, 2x4 stud. House wrap is already intact, as you can see, already pulled into the house. We're working on our Typar butyl corner detail, which, as you can see, I've already done here to give us a better seal. This is what you have before. You can see there's, could be some water or something that could come in. This is what we come up with afterwards. And then this will get applied to this side. That's the next step. So one of our flashings of choice, peel and stick, is Typar. It's a butyl flashing 4-inch. It really sticks to everything, especially your hands. But I always do a little return cut right here, which I'm just going to show you. I take a small piece of the butyl paper, just kind of like that. I like to do this in a couple places. One of them is on this joint here. I like to just go ahead and blend this. This is going to get another piece of tape, actually, all the way vertically down. When it's all said and done, that'll be one of the last pieces that goes on. But this joint is really, there's nothing going to happen here. So very happy with the way that this came out. And yeah, we're on to the next step. The other thing you actually can do is you can use a piece of this on the back. If you notice right here of the window, if you have a joint that's on any one of the fins, many times you do, even if you don't, I like to put a piece of tape here on this joint, just no matter what. Sometimes these welds over time, they can break. So even if it does, we're preventing from any leakage that's going to take place by applying that to the corner. Okay, so at this point, we are now prepared to apply our Tower Tech sealant, which is a Florida approved testing report code on this. Actually, it is an incredible product. You can see this is actually 2 different surfaces. I'll take a photo of this and add it to the video. It's got a metal surface and a wood surface. You can see how this is very, well, high-tech adhesive. So this is what we're going to apply to the back of the window fin. So behind here, now there are a couple options on the sill of the window. We're going to take the approach to leave a gap for weeping. If water ever does get somehow trapped inside of this area, we want to leave a gap that's just about, an inch or so wide for water to come out of, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. pressure, make it a little bit closer. So I'm going to apply the you see I'm leaving a gap here on the bottom of the window, and we are going to now set the window in place. Of course, we would be using a level and shims to get this placed properly, and we press that into place. Just like that. Okay. Okay, next we are going to install the screw in the pre-punched hole. As you can see here, I'm going to show you a picture of that screw as well. Okay, so the point we have got to here in the journey, and boy, it's been a long day, is we've just ripped down some of this tape because, you know, we just have a residual delta here about an inch, a little bigger. What we're doing is taking that butyl tape when the windows are set in place, and we're going to come all the way down and cover both of the fin attachments one last time with all the screws and the sealant that's underneath that, touching the vapor barrier. And on to the next step. We're going to leave this off for this sample so we can show everybody. But it looks awesome, actually. I'm pretty happy with that. One last piece, which is going to be the trim piece right here. You know, we might actually probably put a piece of butyl tape under here. There's two ways of doing this. You can run an entire piece from edge to edge, and we may, certainly on the top of the window, we will. On the bottom, though, again, to allow water to weep out, you do not need to put this tape on the bottom, because now I'm going to trap the water here. So many times we don't mess anyway with that. We just put another piece of tape here at the joint. This thing's never going to leak. It looks awesome.